Everybody, welcome aboard the High Roller here in Las Vegas, just off the Promenade Strip. Follow us. As we make our way up, everybody, we're going to give you a nice view of the Sphere. We got the Caesars Forum right next to us, so follow Motorcycles and Poker for a new adventure from high above, 550 feet high above. And we got a nice view as we make our way up the High Roller. And off to our far left there is the Sphere. And a good view of the complete wheel as it makes its way around. It's about a 45-minute ride here, everybody. Another great view. We got the Sphere right behind us, one of the little cabs we're riding in. The Venetian, the Palazzo, the Trump Towers way back there in the background. You can pick that up, Trump Towers, Treasure Island, Harris, Palazzo, and you get a lot of views. The blue back there is the Rio Caesars Palace, more Caesars Palace, better views of Caesars Palace there, the Flamingo. You got the Cosmopolitan all the way back there. You got the fountains of the Bellagio going on. You got the horseshoe. What a view. We'll try to settle on the Bellagio experience, everybody. And the fountains of the Bellagio, everyone. So follow us on Motorcycles and Poker for interesting adventures. The dancing waters of the Bellagio. And we got the Grand Hilton in the back, vacations. We got the Aria, the Cosmopolitan, the Ling. You got them all here. Best view in town, everybody. Best view in town. The Bellagio again. And we're just swinging around, picking up Caesars, picking up the Flamingo. Again, the blue building is the Rio. You got the palms back there. You got the Orleans way back there. So come follow us.